Hello everyone, I am Gayatri Chevi, studying MCom in third semester in ASS College of Commerce, Gadag. Now I am share the information about the components of accounting information system under the guidance of Professor Ishwar Avgal sir. Let us understand the meaning about information accounting information system. Before understanding the meaning of accounting information system, let us understand the meaning of information system. An information system is a formal socio-technical organizational system designed to collect, process, store and distribute the information with the decision making. Here, socio means a people and technical means technology. People work with the technology. It will benefit to the society and achieve the organizational goals. With the help of technology, people can easily complete their work. And next, meaning of accounting information system. It is a system of collecting, storing, and processing financial and accounting data that are used by decision makers. A system is collect the information about the financial and accounting related data and that is used by all the stakeholders and management for making the important decisions in the organization. Next, components of information system. It is also called elements, activities, general model for accounting information system. This is the picture about all the components of accounting information system. First one is external source of data and internal source of data. That is data collection. And next, data processing. Processing data is stored in the DBMS and information generation, that information used by the external end users and internal end users, they also send the feedback to the system. Next, understand the meaning of data and information. There is a lot of difference between the data and information. Data are facts which may or may not be processed, edited, summarized, or refined and have no direct effect on the user. Data means there is no edited, it is a raw data. It cannot be used for the decision making purpose. But information is the result of analyzing, interpreting piece of data. By contrast, information causes the user to take an action. Here, information is result of analyzing and interpreting the data. It helps of information we can take the decision in the organization. For example, a purchasing agent receive a daily report listing raw material inventory items that are at a low levels. It means a low level management maintain the details about the raw materials, that is called a data. But the use of these data is to make a report and list of raw materials, that is the information. Next, data sources. It is one of the component of accounting information system. Data can be collected from the external sources and internal sources. First one is external source. Financial transactions are the most common source of data for the most organization. These are economic exchange with the other business entities and individuals outside the firm. It means the financial transaction between the other entities, other businesses, and the sale of goods with the other entities and economic exchange between the outside the organization. Example, the sale of goods and services to the debtors, customers, and the purchase of inventory from the suppliers, the receipt of cash. All these example for the external sources. And next one is internal sources. The financial transaction involve the exchange or movement of resources within the organization. The financial transaction is between the various department in the organization, means within the organization. For example, includes the movement of raw material into work in progress, the transfer of work in progress into finished goods inventory. It is all the functions of production department. These are the example for internal sources of data. Next one is data collection. It is the first operational stage in accounting information system. Data must be entered, collected, complete, correct and valid. Whatever we collect the data from the external and internal source, it must be complete, correct and valid. Incorrect data will lead to misreporting and false information generation. Next one is data processing. Processing of data is done to produce information. It means data is converted into the a proper and important information that is used for the decision making purpose. Is a process of data. It means data is converted into the information. Example, it includes the mathematical algorithm used for production scheduling application. Mathematical algorithms like assigning the different raw materials resources to the different products and different departments with the use of mathematical algorithm used to make the different departments in the organization, and statistical techniques for sales forecasting and posting. With help of different statistical techniques we made the future demand for the products. Next one is database management. Here the organization database is a physical repository for financial and non-financial data. A repository means it is one of the storage that helps the business to store and analyze the data for decision making. It stores the financial and non-financial data of the organization. DBMS is a computerized data keeping system. DBMS provide user to access the files and stored in a DBMS. Next, information generation. Information can be operational document such as a sales order, structured report, or a message on a computer screen. Whatever we collect the data from the external and internal sources, that data is processed and some of the information is stored in the DBMS. Next, that data is converted into the information. It is a one type of document like a sales order, structured report. These are the information. Next, information must be relevance, timeliness and accurate. Next is the end users. The two general group of end users. First one is external end users and internal end users. External users includes creditors, stockholders, potential investors, regulatory agencies, tax authorities, suppliers and customers. These are use the information about the organization. And next, internal end users. Internal users includes the management operational personnel. Means internal users means the management of the organization. Management is used the information about the organization. Organization has a great deal of freedom in the way it meets the needs of internal users as compared to the external users. Here the whatever we generate the information, it is satisfies the internal users in the organization. Next, it is the last component, that is feedback. Feedback is a form of output that is sent back to the system as a source of data. Feedback may be internal or external and is used to initiate or alter the process. We can also provide we can also send back the our feedback about the information for any mistakes and any errors in the information. The external and internal end users send the feedback to the system as a source of data. Thank you.